Videos are for educational purposes only.
I might come, I might go, I don't know.
First, these tips are a great way to budget and save money while doing your nails at home. I'm going to show you how to size our nails so they fit perfectly. Now, prep for your press-on nails with your nail tips: magnetic nail holder and adhesive putty.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Now, we're going to shape and buff the fake nails while removing the shine. Grab a new alcohol wipe and remove the dust off of the nails.
Cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you done been through.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. This is going to be the gel polish that we're gonna be using today. Now, apply a thin layer of gel polish.
Hey, can I play a player, baby? I grew up with Drea face. I done seen the realest ones come and leave a crazy way. Had to take my spot, it wasn't something they just gave away. Sorry to all my fans that might have called me on a crazy day. Fuck you niggas thinking trying to block me on a fadeaway. I've been on this shit, I only vibe with a payday. Say you go that way, I guess we both go the same way. Girls on girls, where I'm from. Yeah, yeah, where we both from, hey. And you just got to Miami, need hotel rooms. Niggas told you that they love you, but they fell through. So you shot in 42, cause you, hey. And you throwing on that dress, cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking out of shit that you don't.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp. Apply a second layer of gel polish.
I don't know. I might come, I might go, I don't know. Staying at the dress, cause it's
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
hey, girls on girls.
We're going to be using nail foils for our simple nail design. Now, apply a thin layer of foil transfer. Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. Now, cure your press-on nails for 30 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
It's at midnight. You come and pick me up, no headlights. Long drive could end in burning flames or paradise. Fake interview. Oh, it's been a
The gel top coat that I'm going to be using today is from iGel Beauty, which is one of my favorite nail brands.
know exactly where it leads, but
Now, apply a thin layer of gel top coat.
you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that.
Now, cure your press-on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
We never go out of style. We never go out of style. You got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip classic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time.
Hey goddess babes, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails.
Good girl, fake, and a tight little skirt. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. 'Cause we never go out, we never go, we never go out of style. Take me out, just take me out. Yeah, just take me oh, you got that daydream look in your eye, and I got that red lip plastic thing that you like. And when we go crashing down, we come back every time. We never go out of sight.
Now, cure your press on nails for 60 seconds using your affordable salon quality UV nail lamp.
Classic thing that you like. And when
The natural nail prep is one of the most important steps to ensure that your nails last for more than 2 weeks. Hey goddess peeps, make sure you like, comment and subscribe to the channel, video, and leave a comment about nails. At home, simple, easy, and affordable nails. Hey goddess babes, sanitary is extremely important, so always clean before and after you complete a nail set, whether it's for yourself or your client.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you?
Saving money, budgeting, self-care, sanitary nails. Intend to learn DIY, how to, making money online, all in one video.